This isn't just another email campaign you're sending and hoping someone, anyone, will open it and maybe, just maybe, give. This is the fire that's supposed to spark change. And yet, every message feels like it's drowning in a sea of inbox noise. The frustration? It's real. The anger at wasted time and effort? Justified. You're pouring your soul into your cause, your vision, your mission, but the donations are trickling in like a broken faucet. It's maddening, and you know it could be so much more if only you cracked the code. Here's the brutal truth. Sending emails blindly is the total opposite of what will elevate your fundraising game. It's guesswork. It's noise. It's blood, sweat, and tears dumped into a black hole. But what if there was a weapon so simple, so brutally effective, it could turn that pit of despair into an unstoppable money-making machine? A single tool that, if wielded with precision, could triple your donation rates. No, this isn't hype or a shallow promise. It's the raw power of A/B testing your emails, done not half-heartedly, but with obsession, strategy, and relentless focus. First, stop treating your emails like monoliths, blasted out to anyone and everyone. Instead, split everything: subject lines, calls to action, image placement, even the timing of your send-out, and test them against each other. You want to listen to data like it's vital oxygen because truthfully it is. It's your only chance to understand what moves your audience, what words hit their hearts, what phrasing ignites their empathy, and what timing catches them when their wallets are ready to open. Toss out assumptions, they kill results. Your donors are not one big blob, they're individuals. Segment ruthlessly. Are some more moved by stories of impact, while others respond to urgency? Test. Are certain phrases turning people off because they sound like the same old fundraising plea? Test again. Be brutal. Be relentless. Next, attack the emotional core relentlessly. Craft subject lines that don't just ask for money, make them feel the unbearable weight of what's at stake. Your silence lets hope die, or this one email can change lives you didn't know existed. Shock them awake. Because in fundraising, indifference is a killer. You don't need polite or neutral, you need fierce, urgent, raw connection. And you know exactly what to say, you just have to find the phrasing that unlocks their hearts. Testing lets you find that phrase. When your subject line inspires a fire, your email gets opened. When your email dives straight into the pain, what's lost if they don't act, donations follow. Then, stop adding fluffy paragraphs that nobody reads. Break down your message into short, visceral sentences that hit like punches. 10,000 kids won't eat today. Your click can end that. Fast, brutal clarity moves faster than nice words. Test different lengths, formats, even fonts if you have to. Everything is a variable. The smallest tweak can make the difference between a dead email and a triple donation surge. Every email you send without A/B testing is a missed chance, a betrayal of your mission. Data-backed testing transforms emails from begging cries into strategic strikes. It's not just sending emails, it's sculpting an experience so compelling there's no choice but to give. No more guesswork. No more tired pleas. Just ruthless, human connection designed to unlock generosity at levels you only dared imagine. Stop thinking of your fundraising emails as a crapshoot. Start thinking of them as your secret weapon, your way to break every glass ceiling holding your impact hostage. The world isn't waiting to be saved by mediocre asks, it's waiting for relentless warriors who refuse to lose, not because of fate, but because they test, learn, and conquer. So right now, set up your first A/B test. Split your audience. Try 2 subject lines. Change your call to action. Send those emails. Watch the numbers. Then double down on the winners. If you're not obsessively A/B testing every single email, you're throwing donations away. Plain and simple. You owe it to your cause, your community, and yourself to stop gambling and start mastering the science of giving. The power to triple your donations is in your hands. Grip it.